Well, sadly for those who are exposed to the elements, I'm afraid that the clouds have opened up and it is teeming down here. There are some fans who are going to get very, very wet. Having said which, there are almost no empty seats. It is a terrific turnout under the circumstances. There's nowhere else to go, in truth, if you want to see this much-anticipated game. So, come rain or come shine, we are here and really looking forward to it. And nobody in this atmosphere can hide from the truth about how much this game matters. The scene overflows with colour and passion. It is a true heavyweight clash.
Well, the atmosphere, Peter, certainly doesn't feel like a friendly. We all know about the quality we have on show here, so I hope that the crowd demand as much as they can get, and I hope the players will oblige on that.
So it's away we go then. Who do you, Jim, see making a difference here?
Well, Peter, I think this fella, Luis Diaz, will have a key role in being the link man. He's so good when it comes to...
Climbs up big! And he's there to get it away. Gabriel. Now White. Saka. Endo. McAllister. And it's Van Dijk. Looking to hit the front line. Gakpo. And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Konate, driven forward. It's an inviting looking ball, that. Looking to break at pace. Zinchenko. Merino. Massive leap! Gabriel Jesus finds himself offside. Saka, he's got away. Odegaard. Merino. Martinelli. Picked out brilliantly. Hits one! Goal! Arsenal! Arsenal take the lead.
Look, there just wasn't much of a gap to begin with, and to find it, I think it was a fine drive, and I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. I think he's a bit unlucky in that instance.
Arsenal break the deadlock.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on. Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Great defending, strong and determined. He's found a way through. Martinelli. Oh, he's played it in low. Alisson catches it safely.
But Peter, look how far up the fullbacks are getting now. This is really high.
And constantly after the ball, aren't they?
Yeah, I think they're weighing up their options to see how long they can sustain this and suppress those wide opposition players.
He's going to be disappointed with that. Oh, well played, well played. Arsenal have a free kick. Zinchenko. Played over towards the opposite flank. Now it's Saka. He can get that clear. Robertson did well to emerge with the ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on. Just eases him off the ball, and he's managed to get free. Odegaard. He's looking unstoppable. Martinelli. He's got the shot away! Now, who's going to be first to this? That has been cut short. Gabriel Jesus. He's a sharp little ball here. Face to face with the... He's had a shot! That's fabulous! About as smooth as it gets. 2 up now, and they are cruising.
Well, as options go, that was a superb choice. It's over and in. Job done.
So that's 2 now without reply.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
Oh, Red, nice interception. Fiddles it through. Oh, that looks a cracking ball. Plenty to aim at here. And he's gone back. Saka! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, someone's doing his job properly, Peter, that's for sure.
Endo with the clearance. Out towards the flank. Rice. White. White made a surge from full-back, as it turned out unsuccessfully. Gabriel has given away a free kick. Well, he can't say now that he hasn't been warned.
Yeah, and he's just entered the last chance saloon. One wrong move now, and he's in trouble.
Diaz! Oh, denied! Brilliantly!
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
Alexander-Arnold. He's had a hit! Oh, bang on target. Oh, shoot, and the shot! It's in for goal! Oh, flags up, so that won't count.
Oh, his goal-scoring celebrations are going to be cut short. The flag was up for offside, even if the referee didn't spot it straight away.
A moment's uncertainty there, but it is the right call. There's the whistle for half-time. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
Arsenal sitting pretty here at half-time, 2-0 up. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes. So both teams emerge the same as they were before the break. They're back in possession and ready to go again. Now it's Diaz. Diaz! And it's in! The second half off to a spectacular start. No space, no problem. You just cannot stop him.
Well, I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position when it didn't see him on. It's really crafty business, that.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Scoring early in this half just takes the pressure off now and allows them a chance to be a bit more patient in trying to level things up.
And he's got his cross in. Well, nicely intercepted. Szoboszlai. Now it's Diaz. Pass just lacking in accuracy. Endo. Robertson. Now then, the ball's come loose. Goalkeeper's ball. And there's his chance to lead the counter. And he's straight offside. Gakpo. Now it's Diaz. Oh, great defending, that needed doing. And it's played forward. The pass has gone astray. Alexander-Arnold. Robertson. Chance here to counter. Endo wins the duel this time. Alexander-Arnold. Gakpo. And for a moment, time stood still. Alexander-Arnold plays it in. He's gone for goal! And a terrific save from the keeper.
Yeah, he was well placed to deal with that.
Chances keep on coming. They're awarded another corner.
That's what has to be done now, no question about it.
They're coming again and again.
Well, the question now is whether they can sustain it.
It is a corner. Arsenal corner number 2 then. In for a header! It's run loose, who's going to get there? Arsenal have their third corner. Manchester gets away.
This is proving to be a very good spell. The intensity is great, but they've got to make it count.
Threads one in. And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. Oh, that's a key interception. It's good running with the ball. He has found a way through. Marino. Oh, shooting chance! Well, Jim, this really does look like a safety... Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Endo. And that is played back to front. And he cuts out the supply. Now it's Martinelli. Could move up a gear here. He's Martinelli!
They may end up with some regret with this tactic, but you have to admire their commitment to goals.
Oh, that was vital. Played forward. Oh, can he get onto this? Robertson. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. Oh, it really is a finish of the highest order. That was beautiful. Something close to genius.
Well, he made it look effortless. Clearly a training ground perfectionist.
We have ourselves a real game here.
Well, the big question now is whether they can keep the energy levels up and try and grab a winner.
And it's Salah. Szoboszlai. Stood up well to him there.
Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit that would be most welcome now.
Martinelli. Alexander-Arnold.
Well, they shouldn't be dawdling at this stage. They need to get the ball in the mixer and quickly.
No, he's not getting his way this time. Look at the space here. And the ball's come loose here. Gakpo.
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here.
Oh, that's really good play on the right. He's driving forward. Nice bit of trickery. Alisson is there to take. And it's Salah. He's had it taken off him. Driving on and making good progress. And the referee brings it to